Best doctors for knee replacement in India. The five best doctors for knee joint replacement in India are especially trained orthopedic surgeons. These top orthopedic surgeons in India have vast experience in performing both primary knee replacement, revision, or complex knee replacement surgery. CMCS Health is your global healthcare guardian that assists in your successful knee joint replacement surgery in India. To know more, visit our website cmcshealth.com or WhatsApp us at +91 95820 56061 for best medical tourism assistance. Dr. Ashok Rajgopal is best knee joint replacement orthopedic surgeon at Medanta, the Medicity Hospital, Gurugram, India. With more than 35 years of experience in the field of orthopedic surgery and knee replacement, Dr. Ashoka Rajgopal has performed more than 39,000 total knee replacement surgeries and is especially trained in knee replacement from the premium orthopedic surgery centers like All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, India, University of Liverpool in United Kingdom, and is a fellow of Royal Society of Surgeons, Edinburgh, United Kingdom. Get advice and an appointment with Dr. Ashok Rajgopal with CMCS Health. Visit our website cmcshealth.com or WhatsApp us at +91 95820 56061. Dr. S.K.S. Maria is the best knee joint replacement surgeon at Max Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi, India, with more than 38 years of experience in orthopedic surgery and knee joint replacement. Dr. S.K.S. Maria has performed more than 15,000 knee joint replacements and 3,500 bilateral knee joint replacement, especially trained in knee replacement surgery from premium orthopedic centers in the world like Edinburgh, United Kingdom. Get an advice and appointment with Dr. S.K.S. Maria with the assistance from the best medical tourism company in India, CMCS Health. Dr. Rakesh Mahajan is best knee replacement orthopedic surgeon at BLK Max Hospital, New Delhi, India, with more than 35 years of experience in orthopedic and knee replacement surgery. Thousands of successful knee joint replacement surgeries for both Indian and international patients, especially trained in joint replacement and sport injury surgeries from South Africa and Singapore. Get advice and an appointment with Dr. Rakesh Mahajan with our assistance. The best medical tourism assistance in India, CMCS Health. Dr. Subhash Jangir is best knee replacement orthopedic surgeon at Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram, India. With more than 28 years of experience in orthopedic surgery and replacement, he has performed more than 20,000 knee replacements and orthopedic surgeries, especially trained in joint replacement from the prestigious All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, India. Get advice and book an appointment with Dr. Subhash Jangir with our assistance. Visit our website cmcshealth.com or WhatsApp us at +91 95820 56061. Dr. I.P.S. Oberoi is the best knee replacement orthopedic surgeon at Artemis Hospital, Gurugram, India, with more than 35 years of experience in the field of knee joint replacement and orthopedic surgery, more than 10,000 knee replacement, knee joint replacement, and other orthopedic surgeries, especially trained in knee replacement surgery at South Africa. Get an appointment with and advice from Dr. I.P.S. Oberoi with our assistance. Get the freedom you deserve with a knee joint replacement in India. Knee joint replacement in India offers you a better movability and resumption of your social life. For low cost and successful knee replacement in India with the best Indian orthopedic surgeons, you can trust CMCS Health, your global healthcare guardian. To know more about knee replacement procedures in India, visit our website cmcshealth.com. Thousands of international patients have successfully got their knee replacement surgery in India with our assistance. The name you can count for successful knee joint replacement surgery in India, CMCS Health